excited about the future of the building. We're only really seeing a glimpse of the potential already. We do things with teenagers, with seniors, with stroke recovery, do things with children and mothers and parenting courses. But I think now with the new facility we're able to expand the existing groups, but because of the adaptability of this site now we're able to take on new initiatives.
We're building, this was an investment for the people that are going to come after us. This was an investment for our children and our grandchildren. And I think we're providing Haslemere with a good base hub for them to use.
You could tell from that application that this very active community comes together in a number of wonderful ways, but being here today you can really tell that the church is a hub for all of those activities, and so many different groups come together and use this facility for socialising, but also more regular activities, church services, and being here today and seeing it is wonderful.
The grant from HS2 made a real impact for a couple of reasons. Firstly, obviously there was the financial dimension of that, and it enabled us to do some of the stuff to the building.
It actually sort of proves that they share the vision that we have for the use of this building. You know, we want to make a difference, we want to have an impact on the local community.
We've been told that there's a bowls club that can happen inside the church, and that was quite surprising to me. So it's a very versatile space.
The funding has been very important because there was no way we would be able to have done this without the funding that came in and the extent that we're doing it, because I think the church as it stands today is supporting every part of the work that we do here. It's not that we've had to reduce the amount of things that we do, we've increased it because of this.
It's been really, really helpful to us as an organisation to be able to have the money from the community fund.
Seeing people that we don't yet know coming in and going, wow, I'm enjoying this place, I feel welcomed here. For me, that's what gives me the biggest sense of joy and achievement in this project.